Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all is going well this week. Get a little time in for some crafting. I had done a recent video on this cute little my favorite things outside the box level up die set. Oh gosh, that's a mouthful to say, isn't it? Anyway, I had shown this sample the other day when I did the little tutorial, and I had made this one, and I had some pandas I was going to use, but then I realized with the cloud add-on they really didn't go. So I looked at some images that I had, and these are also some of my favorite things mixed with a little honeybee stamps from the toy store and Stamping Bellow. So I have 3 different stamp companies here, and I created this little version of the same pop-up box die, which is just so cute. So you would mail it like this, going, you know, laid out flat in a A2 size envelope, which is an envelope that can accommodate 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2. And then when the recipient gets it, or if you make it for yourself, or you make a bunch for a bunch of friends, they just pop it out. So cute. So cute. The cuteness. I just can't help the cuteness. So here's a closer look at all the layers. Too cute. Cute. So I had fun just coloring this. This is supposed to be like the bears with the airplanes are supposed to be helping Santa in the North Pole. Listen, that's the only thing I could come up with the clouds. I already had this thing done, but I think it kind of works, right? Okay. So I was saying, if you're not a fan of coloring or you don't have time to color, because coloring with Copics and all this type of stuff does take time, and you want to do something quicker, you could use stickers. I did say that. Or in this instance, I looked at some die cut pieces. So I'm going to work on this. Let me show you again. It was this is the base die set to create the whole box with the matting layers. Thank goodness we don't have to buy the matting layers separately. The next die set I'm going to use for this is the Holly Jolly Cardinals. And so it's this die set right here. Super cute. Also from My Favorite Things. I had gotten this when they had that 40% off sale the other day. It was like a 1-day sale or something like that. So I made some cardinals, and I said I'd just show you guys how to do the, let me show you a close-up on the, see the acetate? I like to stick the acetate, instead of here in the front, I stick it behind, and then, you know, tuck the bird or something like that. So, and I can put a link in case if you need acetate. Some people like to use transparency film from, I think it's Office Depot, but I don't. I use the graphics, see, nice and thick acetate. I also use it for mini album making. And then score tape, whether it's scrapbook.com or regular score tape. Sukwang. Ugh. Every time I say it, I'm like, am I saying that correctly? I'm like cringing when I'm saying it. Alrighty, so let's just make this card up real quick. I hope everybody's getting all their Christmas shopping done. I'm doing mine on Amazon. Yeah, like probably everybody else. I just don't want to go out. Don't have the time to go out. I'd rather be crafting. And I'm pretty much done anyway. And then see, so I stick the acetate here in the back. Then I'm going to just put the bird on the cloud, still trying to keep within the frame of the box, so it's not above here, so it can close and still be able to be shipped. And there I go. So there's the bird. Don't you love? I love this whole stacked layer thing. I just can't get enough of this. Can you imagine this for, like, you know, a Valentine's Day card for somebody or a bunch of your friends, even just Galentine's? Because that's how much we love Valentine's now that we have to even have the girl version of Valentine's. It's so cute. Let's see. So it's only 2 cardinals. I can skip and go down one. Skip and go over here. Tilt it. That's kind of cute, kind of tilted. I'm going to tilt it. And the die comes with all these layers. That cardinal, the Holly Jolly Cardinal. It comes with the little hats. So you could use this for other dies, or you could use it for when you're doing your coloring. You could use it for, you know, these images. Put a hat on the little bear, which I think is adorable. You can make them any theme. This little box here is like an all year round box. And no, I'm not on their design team. I wish I was on the My Favorite Things design team, but I'm not. I just really like their products. And they're a Florida company, so, you know, I live here in South Florida. It's kind of nice to support a local company that's making really good, you know, good quality products, photopolymer stamps, solid dies. Let me try it again. Does anybody have the Barely Art glue? I was curious about it, but not curious enough to buy it. But I keep looking at it. I have it saved in one cart that I keep looking at, like, should I try this glue? But I have refills of the art glitter. Let's see, I can stick it in the front. I can stick it here. I can go there. I can go way down. Maybe way down. Yeah, maybe way down. And I put a little piece of tape on the back just to hold the beak, even though I did attach a bit of glue there, I still taped it down just to make sure. And I completely went out of focus. Oh, sometimes this phone drives me absolutely crazy. Run a little glue. Tuck my little bird. And sometimes I did back it with my little cardinal, back it with a 110-pound cardstock on the feet. Oh, look at that. And see, folds flat, either way. Cute, 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 cute. And yes, I did cut the Cardinals out of either glitter cardstock or that Anna Griffin foil cardstock. Here's a closer look at my Cardinals outside the box level up die. See all the layers? Here's it from the side. From the side, it's a very clean die, folds flat. So even outside, you know, if you open up the envelope, unlike a regular pop-up box card, which would have a square following right here, you can see all the layers just even before you even open it. So I think this actually makes it easier for the recipient to figure what to do with it. They'll be like, oh, what's that? And then they go like this, and then they're, oh, know what I mean? So I really love this set. I think it's unique. Maybe other die companies will start making their own versions of this too, because it's so cool. And here's a closer up of my little North Pole with help from Santa's teddy bears. So I colored this up yesterday while I've been watching The Mandalorian. I was watching that on Disney Plus. Oh gosh, that show. If you're watching it, now I know why everybody's in love with Baby Yoda. Anyway, and I also popped out, you know, if you wanted to, I could add these here on the edges. Why not? I did bring a little bit of other ephemera, like stickers and such, just to finish this up. Yeah, so Baby Yoda is so cute. I'm watching the show and I'm just sitting there like, oh, she's so, like when we watched E.T. back in the day. Talking about age, right? I just showed you how old I am. There we go. Look at that. Just pop in a little bit of holly and such. So cute. And you can just, and these are holly from Michael's. I love stuff like this, you know. Michael's, Hobby Lobby, I love to buy this type of stuff. I don't like to buy it at $6 a shot, but I like to buy it at $2, $3. That's so bad. And then I could even do flowers if I wanted to. I could do poinsettias. I had some small poinsettias stickers. Anyway, I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you what you can do with this outside the box pop-up card. My little purple penguins. Santa's toy shop with help from bears, or using die cuts. the cardinal die cuts, which yes, the cardinals would be in the sky. So would these flying teddy bears helping out Santa. This one here there though just has a straight edge, so that's more of a ground. Alrighty folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, stay crafty my friends. Bye.